Fear can stop us from doing so many things. I was afraid to paint this oyster. I've never painted an oyster before. But what I realized was that I wasn't necessarily afraid, I was just uncomfortable doing something unfamiliar. Did you know that fear and excitement run on the same energetic continuum in our brains? And that's why those feelings feel so similar. On one end of this continuum, we might have something like a challenge. This can help us build excitement. And on the other, we have a threat, and that translates to fear. So what I do is I start to ask myself on a scale of 1 to 5, how much is this feeling a challenge, and how much of it is really a threat? And you know what I found? Most of the time when I do this exercise, the thing that I was dreading, that I was really nervous about, just turns out to be a challenge because it's unfamiliar. I ask myself what's so scary about this situation, and it's usually that I haven't done it before. I can do unfamiliar things, and you can too.